Hello dear students, welcome in science class. In today's session, we will discuss third type of the reaction, that is displacement reaction. The reaction in which more reactive metal displaces lesser reactive metal from its salt solution, that is called displacement reaction, in which more reactive metal displaces lesser reactive metal from its salt solution, that is called displacement reaction. Before doing the examples of this reaction, we need to learn the reactivity series that helps in doing this displacement type of reactions. Reactivity series is the series of arrangement of metals in decreasing order of their reactivities. You have done this reactivity series in 8th standard also. There is one method to learn it, that is a very simple way to learn this reactivity series. You can speak along with me. Kedar Nath ka Mali आलू ज़रा फीके पकाता है. K for potassium, Na for sodium, Ca for calcium, M magnesium, Al aluminium, Zn zinc, Fe iron, P for Pb lead, H for hydrogen. Okay, केदारनाथ का माली आलू ज़रा फीके पकाता है. पोटाशियम, सोडियम, कैल्शियम, मैग्नीशियम, एल्यूमिनियम, जिंक, आयरन, lead, hydrogen. In the last 4 metals are left that you can learn in the way. Call me something good. C copper, M mercury, S silver, G gold. Copper, mercury, silver, gold. And the formula are copper Cu, mercury Hg, silver Ag, gold Au. In this way you can learn the reactivity series. Now in this reactivity series, the metal that is placed at the top of the reactivity series, that is most reactive. Okay, and at the last the metal that is present, it is least reactive. And the metals are arranged in decreasing order. As we move downward in the reactivity series, the reactivity of the metals goes on decreasing. Okay, if you want to check the reactivity of magnesium and aluminium, between these two metals, which one is more reactive? Magnesium placed first, so it is more reactive than that of aluminium. Okay. With the help of this reactivity series, now we are able to do the displacement reaction. See this activity. Take 3 iron nails and clean them by rubbing with sandpaper to remove the layer of the oxide. Take 2 test tubes marked A and B. In each test tube, take about 10 ml copper sulfate solution. Copper sulfate solution, it is of blue color. Tie 2 iron nails with a thread and immerse them carefully in the copper sulfate solution in test tube B for about 20 minutes. Keep 1 iron nail aside for comparison. Keep 1 iron nail for the comparison. After 20 minutes, take out the iron nails from the copper sulfate solution. compare the intensity of the blue color of copper sulfate solution in test tubes and also compare the color of iron nails. After 20 minutes, you will observe brown color coating on iron nail, okay, that you can compare with the original one, and the color of copper sulfate solution in test tube B will fades. Okay, it turns to light green. This is the intensity of the blue color of the copper sulfate. It is dark and it is light. So what happens in this reaction? Iron, that is in the solid form, plus copper sulfate, copper sulfate solution, copper Cu2 positive, sulfate SO4 2 negative. 2 will cancel, okay, it will be CuSO4. It is the aqueous solution. That means the solution is prepared in water and it is of blue color. So now see from the reactivity series. Iron is placed here and copper is here. Okay, iron is more reactive than that of copper. Iron being more reactive than that of copper displaces it. Iron will displace copper. Okay, so what will form? It will form ferrous sulfate. Fe2 positive, SO4 2 negative, 2 cancel and it will be FeSO4 plus copper get displaced, so Cu. In this way, the blue color of the copper sulfate fades and it becomes light green, as the crystals of ferrous sulfate color is light green. So solution also become light green. And on iron nail we will observe the coating of copper, that is brown coating on iron. Okay, now this is the displacement reaction. What are the observations of this reaction? 1. The brown coating of copper formed on iron nail and the dark blue color of copper sulfate will fades. This is the observation. Okay. This reaction is already balanced. Now we will do the second example, that is what happens when we put zinc metal in copper sulfate solution. It is aqueous. Okay, again its color is blue. What will happen? Check from the reactivity series, reactivity of zinc and copper. Zinc placed first, so zinc is more reactive than that of copper, so it will displace copper and form zinc sulfate. Zinc sulfate, Zn2 positive, SO4 2 negative, 2 cancel and it will be ZnSO4. This is aqueous solution. Here we will write also aqueous and solid, and copper get displaced. Okay, now the blue color will fades as the zinc sulfate is colorless and brown coating is observed on zinc metal. Okay, it is of like silver color or white in color, you can say. Okay, so brown coating is formed on zinc. This is also the example of displacement reaction. One more example we will do. For example, lead. If we will put lead in copper chloride, CuCl2, Cu2 positive, Cl1 negative, crisscross, it will be CuCl2. It is blue-green solution, blue-green colored solution. Okay, now see the reactivity of lead and copper. Lead, again the lead is more reactive than that of copper, so it will displace it and it will form lead chloride. Lead chloride, Pb2 positive, Cl negative, PbCl2. This is aqueous solution plus copper. Okay. The color of lead chloride is colorless solution. So you can write the blue-green observations. You can write blue-green color fades. Gradually it fades away and the brown coating of copper is formed on lead. One more example we will do. If we will put in copper sulfate solution, we will put silver. Then what happens? Copper sulfate solution. In copper sulfate solution, we will keep silver. Silver, see in the reactivity series, silver, it is placed below the copper. So silver is less reactive than that of copper. Okay, so it do not displace it and no reaction will takes place. On the basis of these reactions, the question may be asked in the exam. In the reasoning form questions may be asked. You can simply write, if the observations are there, if the displacement takes place, so you can write, being the metal more reactive, so it displaces the metal, and that is the reason of observed statement. Okay. So this is all about the displacement reaction. Thank you.